Hello, today I want to show you Instnced Mesh Manager plugin. It is a plugin that extends functionality to work with instance meshes in Unreal Engine. It has some global options for level. It can be found in the Tools tab, and also several options in Outliner. The first options is default merge actors into instance mesh. We need to select several static mesh actors that has the same static mesh. Right click and select merge meshes into static mesh. As you can see, now we have a new actor with instance component, and all our static meshes are added to this actor. For example, we can select this one, right click and select merge, and they will be also united. But if we try to merge meshes that are not the same, this option will be enabled. The second thing, we can break instance meshes into separate static mesh actors. For example, we have this merged actor. We can right click and select to break instance mesh, and we back have static mesh actors separate and not united under one actor. Or, for example, if we work with some static mesh, united it, and we want to add a new mesh to it, we can select where it is. We can select this mesh, right click, and we have available option to add static mesh to existing instance mesh. It will automatically select mesh with instance component and will add our mesh to this component. But for more convenient work with instancing, I've added two global options. The first one converts all static mesh actors that has at least 2 copies on the level into the instances, and the second thing do the opposite. It is break down all instances into static meshes. I will show example, and also we have a Foliage actor on the level. It will be ignored by this option. I will show it later. I will try to merge all static meshes into instances. It is small level, it takes a couple of seconds, and as you can see, we have all meshes grouped on the level. We have a skysphere mesh, some single meshes remain separate because they don't have a copy. And also, as you remember, we merged Cliff 07, but there are some meshes remained, and it also was merged into existing instances. If we need to break all level back, we can use instances to static meshes options. It will take a little bit longer because we need to spawn a lot of meshes. And as you can see, all instances break back into the separate meshes. One thing with Foliage, it is instance mesh. Also, it is not shown here, but it works the same as instances. It can be also break by using this option. Global break option ignores this. You can right click, select break. It will take some time, and as you can see, it is breaked into the separate actors. One more thing, if you will try to right click or just click, select this merged mesh and try to move some single meshes, you can just click several times and it will be available for moving. You can also separate Instnced Mesh from the actor, and it will become a regular static mesh. It is built in engine functional, but it can be also useful. Thank you for watching.